Today's featured pickup truck is a 1977 Chevrolet K10 4x4, and I'll read the seller's description at the auction. And he said, has 454 V8 engine, 3/4 ton axles, show quality paint, flex steel bucket seat interior with center console, dual exhaust, drivetrain completely rebuilt within the last 1,000 miles, chrome front and rear bumpers, and it has 45,000 miles, and it was navy blue and silver two-tone. And I filmed it at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $30,750 back in November of 2022. And it was a good-looking truck, being the short box. The short box square bodies always look good with the two-tone paint and the aftermarket wheels. Definitely had a good look to it. A couple other touches added by the seller. But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck of the day, a 1977 Chevy K10 4x4 with a 454 V8 engine that I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in November of 2022, where it sold for $30,750. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.